If you have a number of different motorcycles and power sport vehicles in your collection, or maybe you're just one of those riders that want to change your bike maybe every 1 or 2 years, but you still need to maintain that battery over winter, there's one single charger you need to have. Optimate 4 Quad Program Premium Edition is the ultimate charger. It can charge any battery in power sport. Optimate 4 Premium Edition comes with a set of battery clips, a fused battery lead or battery harness you can fit directly to the battery, an SAE to DIN adapter that fits BMW or Triumph motorcycles. And it also comes with a handlebar hanger that hangs the charger off the motorcycle's handlebar.
You can select one of 4 programs to charge any motorcycle or power sport battery. Program 1 is for all lead acid batteries. Program 2 is for sealed lead acid batteries in BMW motorcycles and charged through the 12-volt socket. Program 3 is for LFP lithium motorcycle batteries made from lithium ferrous phosphate technology. And Program 4 is for lithium batteries in BMW motorcycles charged through the 12-volt socket. Optimate 4 Quad Program Premium Edition, the only charger you need to save, charge and maintain any motorcycle or power sport battery.